folks, welcome back to my channel. This is Chaitanya and you're watching Chaitanya Nitin. Guess where am I traveling today? And now I'm on my way to IKEA. It's newly established in Nagsandra. Is that true? Nagsandra? Yes, Nagsandra. I seriously don't know how long will it take, and I just don't know how the venue looks like. But still, I'm having a trust on my husband and just moving in my car. So, lots of traffic here, and by the way, it's weekend, Saturday. Check out the traffic. Bengaluru traffic is so hectic here. నేను ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో ఒక చిన్న వ్లాగ్ చేయాలని డిసైడ్ అయినా ఇప్పుడు డిసైడ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇట్స్ మై ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు వ్లాగ్ ఆన్ మై యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. సో ఎట్లుంటుందో చూస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐఎమ్ సో ఎక్సైటెడ్. నేను చాలా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్లో ఉన్నాను IKEA స్టోర్ చూడాలని, బికాస్ ఐవ్ సీన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామర్స్ అండ్ YouTubers promoting about IKEA store, which was in Hyderabad and Mumbai. So it's first time held up in Bengaluru. So నేను చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్గా ఉన్నాను. అండ్ సిక్కే దొరికే పీసెస్ అన్ని, ఐ మీన్ గ్లాసెస్ కానీ టేబుల్స్ కానీ చాలా బాగుంటుందని నేను రివ్యూస్ చూసాను. సో I was so eagerly waiting when my husband said yes, and I just got ready and I'm on my way. సో ఎట్లుందో నేను మీకు వీడియో కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను. సో కీప్ వాచింగ్. మీకు తెలుసా, ఇట్స్ బీన్ 1 hour we are on the road. There are nearly around 80 to 90 cars standing on the road. కొంచెం కూడా జాగలేదు. Whenever we ask any person on the road, they're like, మేమందరూ ఐకియాకే వెళ్తున్నాం. So the road is jammed. There's no place to go. I don't know how we're going to reach out there. చూస్తాం ఎట్లా అవుతుందో. Keep watching. It's been 5 minutes. There's no movement of cars at all. I just don't know whether మేము reach అవుతామో లేదో, but anyways, it's so thrilling. Actually, I'm clueless. I just don't know. Are we gonna make out today? Anyways, let's hope for the best.
రూమ్ తీసుకొని రేపు పొద్దునే పోయి వస్తామా
అట్లా సార్. Finally, we made it. We just got into the entrance.
లోపల పార్కింగ్ ఉంది.
Yeah. Oh my god, ఎంత పెద్ద క్యూ ఉంది అంటే. Finally we made it. The waiting period to get inside the store is about 2 hours. There's an announcement happening here. 2 hours to stand in a row, a queue. It's quite impossible. So I just don't know whether to get inside or not. Let's see how the situation is going to turn out. Announcement says 2 hours. Seriously, a critical situation to stand in the queue for 2 fucking hours. So we have decided to get back home and attend the IKEA store during the weekdays. Seriously, it is so damn busy there. It's like the Tirupati Tirumala Venkateshwara Swami queue, which is in AP. At least if you go there in the queue, we are ready to get some God's blessing. But here, it's just a waste. And I seriously can't wait 2 hours in the queue in order to buy some home decor and all stuff. Anyways, this mission is a complete fail. Getting back home with sad faces. Felt very hungry because we were not able to step into IKEA. So finally came to have some supper. Not completely dinner, but yeah, the ambience is good. I like this place. It's quite beautiful. Ordered much late out today because this place is so busy. And yeah, after this we are planning to head back home. Seriously, the IKEA was so busy. We didn't even like to step inside. And like due to this COVID precautions measure, we decided not to step inside. And yeah, finally let's see what's gonna happen later. I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me.
Heading back home. Ante, the day was very bad today. I seriously didn't experience this kind of situation actually. And నాకు చాలా అంటే చాలా బేజారయ్యా because I was so enthusiastic to see how IKEA store is gonna look like అని, but nothing happened well. So getting back home, just had dinner. It's kind of supper and dinner together, and I just found that place exhibition there, and I just stepped in to have some time pass. I didn't find anything interesting there also, but I purchased few things. I'll just show you how it looks like.